Measuring 0 volts between G and C on the control board with the fan set to on means the G circuit is not being driven and points to a thermostat or wiring failure. First, verify the thermostat is actually commanding the fan. Set the thermostat fan switch to the on position and inspect the thermostat's fan output terminal for continuity to ground using a simple multimeter continuity check or a battery test lead. If the stat shows no output, remove the thermostat faceplate and manually short the G terminal to the C or common terminal at the thermostat base to see if the control board responds. If that produces fan power at the board, then the thermostat electronics or configuration is at fault. If the thermostat output does provide a signal but you still read 0 volts at the board, perform a voltage check at each junction point along the G conductor to isolate an open splice or a damaged wire. Label and test at the furnace, at any intermediate junctions, and at the thermostat end. If wiring continuity is confirmed and the board still shows 0 volts, swap in a known working thermostat or apply a 24-volt control signal from a bench supply to the G terminal to confirm the board's fan relay or driver stage is defective. Use a gentle tug test on terminal screws and re-inspect insulation for hairline breaks that will cause intermittent opens. Replace the run of wire if any damage is found because a repaired splice in low voltage control runs is often less reliable than a full replacement. When testing live, observe safety, kill power before making or breaking connections, use insulated tools, and avoid contact with line voltage sections inside the appliance. Common mistakes include assuming the thermostat is working without measuring at its terminals, which can be resolved by testing continuity or substituting a known good thermostat. Believing a 0 volt reading at the board means the board is always bad, which is why you should inject a known control voltage at the G terminal before replacing the control board, and overlooking poor or corroded splices that cause open circuits, which is why you should physically inspect and, where necessary, reterminate or replace the damaged wiring rather than relying solely on electrical tests. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by letting us list projects and search profiles so users can find candidates near them and discuss specifics with the community. We also help contractors find work by enabling us to respond to posted jobs and participate in our discussion community to build reputation and field questions.